What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kay, and we back with another bang 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 bang. Alright, y'all, so happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, because today's Mother's Day, but by the time y'all see this vlog, it's gonna be after Mother's Day. But yeah, happy Mother's Day. So y'all, today we about to do something different for us. We actually about to go fishing for Mother's Day. Now we're gonna be at a little park or whatever. We're gonna do like picnics where we do just sandwiches and stuff like that, but it's just something very little. But I never been fishing. Bay has been fishing before. Jesse always goes fishing, so we finna try something different, and we're gonna take y'all with us. So, well, we missing Ari, so y'all will see her in a little bit, but let me introduce the babies to the vlog.
My name's Zari.
And then we got...
I'll say my name Junior. Gang gang. Boy, BJ gang gang all day. Gang gang all day.
And yep, so we're gonna let y'all see Ari when we get to the park, but we gotta stop at Kroger's first because we gotta get like the sandwich stuff and all of that. So because it's only 1 o'clock, so we can be out here for a couple hours. We do have a basketball game to go to later, but that's like at 5. So yep, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Also, too, so we about to take y'all with us. And I got my little...
It's gonna be a long ride.
It's gonna be a long ride. I got on this little fishing hat. I guess it may not be a fishing hat. It's a fishing hat. So my hair don't get messed up, but I got a fishing hat on. Zah got her rain boots on. Ari gonna put her some rain boots on too. I ain't got no rain boots, but it's cool. It's gonna be alright. Okay. Yeah, so once we get to the park, I'm gonna show y'all everything. Cause Jesse already there setting up. He said he got like 6 fishing poles, and then he actually went to go get some bait too, so he already got us set up, so we're gonna be good. So now don't think that I'm finna get on here and y'all gonna see me touch the fish. Alright, y'all, we made it. So now we walk into our spot that Jesse set us up with. Apparently we have to go over this hill, but all right, y'all, let us get down the hill. I'll call you back. I'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all, we gotta walk down this thing.
It's totally different.
Ooh.
No. You gonna leave your shoes
Y'all look. I feel like this is the wrong way to go.
My daddy used to go this way.
Cause I shows I almost going down the other way. I ain't came this way.
Which way you came?
I came the other way. I slipped. This way is better.
Grandma,
Walk back that way.
I know how to get up there.
Good for you.
All right, y'all.
To get past that, Mom.
We out here.
Just
Yeah.
Just go this way to get down.
Let me get the line up over here.
He got this.
Go ahead, get that fish, y'all.
You get it.
she said you get it.
You gonna curve it?
Let me good.
You gonna curve it?
No, I'm not.
Daddy, let me see.
All right. Just got us set up, y'all.
Let me see.
Ari, you scared. Ari, say hey to the vlog.
That nigga said
Ari, say hey.
I want to touch one.
Go
Then I want to touch one.
touch it.
Yeah, Junior touch it.
Dad, touch it. You gotta wash your hands.
Zai, you gonna touch it?
It's so gooey. Mom, do we gotta wash our
Ari,
hands?
you gonna touch it?
Mom, do we gotta wash our hands? It's so Mom, it's so gooey. Do we gotta wash our hands? I don't want to
life.
I don't get louder.
Hey, that first time will be a spot. Want you want to put a fish on there?
Tighten it up a little bit. She remind me of myself when I first.
Yeah, they go Jesse. He about to.
Right there.
It looks like
They go mama, y'all.
Daddy, look what's right here.
Shut up. Dip it down a little bit.
Bring
There you go.
teaching her.
Look,
She said she got it. You little one. Yeah, I don't know what.
Ivy, you gonna touch it?
Huh? Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Go ahead.
I'm confused with them.
You wanna? No, that's not how you feed
You
them.
must call these bad boys when they was on sale. I remember seeing them.
No, you will fall. Mama!
Get it, Mika.
Yeah, no. My husband do that for me. I said I gotta be scared. I gotta stop being scared and do it.
Huh? You already own it. Yeah. What are you posing for? It's a video.
Wait, put us up. Let me get down first.
Let me show you. I'm going to show you now. I'm putting back in there and let you do it.
There you go.
You want to try to make sure you feel alive. Right there. And go through and through. You'll put that to the right there.
I'm trying to figure out why I got an orange spider rolling on me.
Can I do it? Alright, that's yours.
Oh, y'all don't know how to put the fish on there? Let me see. What we gotta do?
Ari, go first. Come on, Ari.
Oh, he get the fish. He get the fish.
I'll take
That's
over.
what
Ari, come
right
on.
there. You want to put it right there.
See the fish. Hey, yo, look at the big dog over there. Just say you don't want to see it.
There you go.
Right there.
Yeah.
You don't want to check.
Toss it out there. You just got to toss it light because that's the way you got it cooked, don't know?
Then I take both of y'all. Ari,
So
come
he
on,
gonna fall
take
off.
both of y'all.
Yeah. Let him go. He gonna fall off, man.
Be outside wet.
I wish it was a little less rocks than this.
Okay, look what I don't Let me get her down first.
Let me see. From the rocks.
I just been touching them and doing. Whoa! Let them go. Oh, I thought two fish.
Oh, you got fish
I will do this. Stay down
Oh,
there.
girl. I ate the fish too.
Oh yeah, LaShawn said to tell y'all Happy Mother's Day.
And then remember, put the little
Thanks.
Not you. TT and your mama.
Put your finger back on
Do
the
what, mama? Your fish is swimming.
Just giving out fishing lessons.
Now.
These little, they pretty big, so they strong. So you gotta, yeah. They can't keep it under for that long.
And this pond is a little bitty a big fish over there. And yeah.
I'm laying up in here.
I know. I just look on Google. And you stop. Oh my god, my phone. As long as they ain't getting wet. Huh? As long as they ain't. Alright, go back, cause if you slip, you gonna go in the water.
What you doing there, Bo?
Just one more thing.
Ariana, come on.
All right. Woo, 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 woo.
Now imagine you get a big old fish.
Jesse out here giving swim lessons. I mean, fishing lessons. Y'all comment down below how long y'all think it's gonna take for us to catch some.
Oh, girl. Ari.
I'm not finna touch this fish. Hold on, y'all.
I'm not doing what the
Oh! There's a fish. I just hit a fish.
Over there.
Huh?
All right, y'all, starting back to rain. So give me a second. I'm gonna set the camera up so y'all can see us move around.
What is raining?
I know how to get down. Easy peasy.
Starting to rain, y'all. Again.
Hey.
All right, y'all. So he about to do another one, and then I'm gonna try to set this up
What is this on my leg?
so y'all can see
Well, what is this on my leg?
dirt. So it means get a good bath tonight. Good shower. All right, y'all. So I'm finna clean y'all off, and then I'll set y'all up here. Am I gonna be in a specific spot before I set the camera?
It's coming closer.
Huh? Yeah, after you put everything on there. After. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Oh, I'm finna get Brent phone. Hold on. Somebody's out. I think my rental ain't on her no more. I still been on her. Okay, you wanna hold it? Okay.
It's just the deepness of it. I know, yeah, he's still on there. It's just
No, you can have a rock.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. No, we throwing the rocks down there with Papa.
Damn. I would say damn. See, we don't. I should have brought some bread. I need baby right up in here. I need some baby. I wonder what Dad said with the thing was. In our house.
Junior, stop moving.
That's ours.
They already hold it, Junior. Hold it with another hand.
Yeah, they turned it off. It's over
No,
there.
I'm not gonna let it go.
Whatever this thing is in the middle. Wherever it is. I probably seen it over there, but it's over there though.
what happened?
In the fountain. What little fountain? You know
Don't
what I'm
touch
saying?
it.
It look like a
Don't
little
bounce
piece of
like-
water. No.
Yeah, you see some fountain in the middle of this.
Middle of it.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
over
yeah.
here.
It's over there. You're right. It's over there where you're pointing at. It's right.
I'm saying, it's like right in the corner.
Right over there, little hill right there. Right over there.
You got 4 people.
You want me to put it back out there, bro? You put it back out there.
No, go ahead.
Put it back out that way.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I was gonna do it.
Big or not them. I know, I'm getting this line with the rest of the
Give him a second. Now he got us fishing ready. Look at that. Where are these fish signs at? Oh, I'm sorry. They call something minnow. 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 Like minnow.
Hey, hold the line.
No, I'm not holding it. I'm not.
Hold the line.
I'm not holding it. He just told you to reel it, and then he tell you to pull it.
Hold the line. Hold the line.
I'm not holding nothing.
Hold the line.
He dead anyway. He still moving. Stop!
Billy.
See, you trying to make me do it? Let me ease my way into it.
I don't like the way you yell at me, low key though, bro. That was a dog, man.
Why you rolling it up there?
Why are you worried about it? You scared, remember?
I'm not scared. I'm just trying to prepare myself.
Oh, there you go. Come on, get some, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Yeah, I'm on. You might put your gun on there, you know. But they don't.
Hey, Daddy. Did you hear that cry? Somebody yelled at me down here.
Like, I didn't text y'all Happy Mother's Day and nobody texted me. Or y'all probably text me on my phone message.
Know something get on there, he gonna let it go, right?
Thank you.
He should be able to put it. He should no.
Thanks, baby.
You know what I'm Hey, you
Y'all
know what?
look inside. She done got dirty with us being out here.
Hey, Daddy.
Look at his shirt.
I want to price of what's coming.
Hey, Mom, look at the balloon. Mom,
We having
look,
fun,
I
y'all.
want to price.
Mama caught it twice and didn't catch it.
Mom, look the balloons.
What the heck?
No!
Y'all, somebody graduation balloons is in the lake.
The fish is biting now. Mama,
I'm bite it too.
Look at Ari. Ari is even more dirty.
Right when I pulled it.
Look at her.
You got some of that? Nope, you didn't get it.
Y'all, Mika caught a fish.
what?
Thank you. Okay, I got it. Mika, are you excited? Kiana's, oh wait,
I'm ready to get back in.
that's Brent. Kiana's over there trying to get a fish. That's Brent setting up. Mika, that's Junior. And that's Mama. Y'all, Mama done let by 2 fish go. But we ain't gonna tell her that.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can tell, this is a totally different day. Mother's Day was a great day. It did end up raining. We got so freaking muddy. As y'all can see, the only person who caught something was my sister. She caught a fish. After we left, Jesse actually caught another fish, I think, and he also got a turtle, which I'm probably try to find a picture that he caught, and then I'm gonna add it on here. But yeah, so I'm closing the vlog out now. But yeah, again, happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. All of them. Also, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Until next time, guys. Bye.